Hello viewers. Let us make a program of full record of one person, which will highlight when we write his name in the search. Similarly, it also highlight data required by nationality, allocation or department. How to make such cool search program? Well, first, select all the records. In the Home tab, go to Styles area and click on Conditional Formatting. Then click on Manage Rule, New Rules. Select Rule for use a formula to determine which cells to format. In this box, write equal to, select empty cell against search by names. Again, write equal sign. Select first cell of the names column. Remove the $sign for rows because we want to highlight data by the rows. Click on Format. In the Fill tab, choose the color you want. Click OK. OK. Now, we will make the rules for all 4 searches. Let's do it. We made the rules. Click on Apply. Now you can do searching to highlight the required data.